Hey guys, welcome to my channel on Pet Peeves. Today we're gonna talk about easy ways to pack your clothes, what we call Ranger roll. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this jacket. We're gonna bring in the hood. All right, we're gonna get the arm. Boom, boom. All right, and then we're gonna get the middle piece. No, the bottom. Excuse me. We should have two little lips right here. Alright. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold it. One arm over. Other arm over. Try to make it nice and good looking as much as possible. It doesn't matter if it's left or right or left, doesn't matter at all. And then we're just gonna bring it close in. We're gonna grab it like a little wrap, and then we're just gonna keep rolling it. And when it comes to this part, you're gonna go to the second lip. All right, so we got two little lips right there. We're gonna go to this one, right in here. All right, so we're gonna re-roll that. And a lot of people do this a lot better. I'm just giving you the idea on how to do it. And then we're gonna bring this back lip. I'm gonna bring this back lip over the entire thing. And I'm just gonna dress it up as much as possible. And bam, that's how you Ranger roll. How to properly fold your OCP top. So first you're gonna take your left, or you can take your right arm, it doesn't matter. You're gonna bring the right one over. I'm gonna bring it right to the middle. Right? Make sure that this is extended out. Right? Now what you're going to do is go up to the bottom, and you are going to fold it outward. So it honestly doesn't really matter on like which comes first, whether you do the arms or the bottom. Honestly, I do like doing the bottom first because it's a lot faster to get to. Right? And you're just going to extend this. Right? Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold. You're going to leave the collar as is. You're going to bring it over. Right? And you're going to bring the other one over right in the middle. Alright, so it's going to look like that. Now you're going to turn it around. You're going to grab it. You're going to fold it. Alright. I'll turn this around a little bit. So we got two lips. We got the top lip. And then we got the bottom lip, that bottom opening. So this is going to go into here, right? Make sure it looks nice. What we say, dress right, dress. Right? when we are first given pants, first off, what we want to do is get both legs of the pants together. Right. You want to just follow the seam of the pants. Right. You want to flip it over. Make sure that they're nice and straight. Right. Now what you want to do is grab from the bottom. And when it comes to the opening, whether you got zippers or buttons, it don't matter if it's zippered up. Actually, it does. That way it can like really have it concealed in. Or if you have buttons, sometimes it can make it a little bit harder. So it don't necessarily means that you have to have all of them buttoned, but at least decent for when you do have your buttons for your OCP or ACU uniforms or military uniforms or whatever, or just clothes that have that kind of stuff. So what you're gonna do is get the bottom, you're gonna roll it. And then keep on rolling it. And you guessed it, we want to put it right in here. And bam, that's how you arrange your roll pants. So when it comes to your underwears, what you want to do is you could do left over right, right over left, whatever. And you're just going to bring it right over. And roll it. And then you guessed it, we have two lips. You got one lip right here, you got the bottom lip at the bottom, so you're going to put it right at the bottom. And bam, that's how you arrange and roll your underwears. So for when it comes to your socks, what you want to do is you want to make sure that they're both facing the same direction. And one is going to be shorter than the other one. That's how you smile your socks, right? So you want to get the bottom, you're going to start rolling. And you got the second lip, right? So you'll open it. And you're going to stuff everything in there. Right. Take that back. That's actually how you ranger roll your socks. How you smile your socks is like this. So, same thing. Make sure that they're both facing the same direction. You want to roll it. Right? You still got the second lip. What you want to do is still open it. You're going to bring it in. Right? It's going to make a nice smile to you. Cheese. Then in the end, what you want to do is you want to get a Ziploc bag and put all of your clothes into the Ziploc bag. Reason being is because the plastic is going to protect your clothes from liquids and outside substances. And it could be like stinky air and stuff like that. You obviously don't want your clothes to be stinking. For when you're traveling as well, you don't want nothing to spill onto it. You don't want no oils to get onto it as well. So that's why we have this plastic bag. Especially, it allows you to compress the air. So when you do put this into your travel bag, what you want to do is you want to open it first. You want to compress all the air down. Put your knee on it. You don't want him to breathe, or her, whatever. Get your feelings out. And then what you want to do is tighten it. And that's one way how you save space in your bag when you're traveling and stuff. For when you guys are at the laundromat, you guys don't have a trash bag, what you want to do is you want to get your biggest bed sheet, or you can even have a towel, right? You want to lay it down. You want to open it, spread it as much as you can, and then you're just going to throw all the clothes in there. There can even be another bed sheet in there. All your clothes. Then what you want to do is get both ends and bring them together. Put one in the middle. Put the other in the middle. Put the other end in the middle. And the other end in the middle. Right? We'll make sure everything, all the clothes are in there. So you want to get one end that's adjacent to the other. That means the across. Right? You want to tie it. You want to tie it again. Double tie. Right? And then you have one end. And you get the other end. And you tie it again. So if there are exposed areas, what you want to do is you want to get the towel. You want to have it nice and flat. And you want to basically cover those possible exposed areas of your clothes. And that's how you make a bag with